Well, I don't know if you can hear it. Truck's not running. I don't know. Started losing power. We're changing fuel filters right now. I'm not entirely sure what's going on yet. But we are in St. Louis. So we'll see. This is the adventure. Well, we're back on the road. St. Louis. The one wrong turn. But seems to be running good. We'll update soon. Well, we made it to Rolla, Illinois. Is there? Whatever. Everything seems to be going good now. Just put some 911 in. It's 8 below 0, so I think we just had a gelling issue. Well, we made it to Tulsa. We enjoyed some waking up. But yeah, it's cold in here still. I think it's up to like 18 degrees outside, but not a lot of heat in here, so we're all bundled up. Going good. Looking like we'll probably make it to Barstow tomorrow afternoon sometime. It's Monday at noon right now. What are we doing, Craig?
Going to Taco Casa. Tacos.
Never heard of it, but Craig says we gotta try it. Looks pretty awesome. All kinds of cool stuff here.
We're about to find out.
That's what you call a missile.
Yeah. No being hurt there.
Don't quite have enough jack to pick up the whole trailer loaded.
What do you think that way?
I was gonna have you stop about halfway.
Yeah.
Well, this is our new friend Eddie. Thank God we found him in a parking lot. We are doing major trailer fabrication right now. Lots of stuff going on. A lot of video from Jake's phone.
Kind of see the bow in the trailer wall there. It's actually getting a lot better just by jacking it up. Yeah. Craig might have done a little side quest through some snow on the way here, but we won't talk about that.
No way that's related. Well, this wall just went.
A couple of floor jacks. Look, we fell the floor jacks and helped around the house. Yeah. You go get some casters. I have never been there.
Actually, wait a minute. How do you feel about hauling a Jeep?
I've got two 87 square body Chevrolet, but one's a GMC, one's a Chevrolet.
Can I show what happened here? You can see the wrapper.
Here, I'll hand you the phone.
Yeah, so here, our frame buckled and actually broke right there. That is what you call pure Michigan. Oh man, this trailer's a 2018, just falling apart. Sad to see. Luckily, Eddie's here helping us out. Here you go, Jake. Thank you.
I got a folder in the back of that square body.
I heard that. I heard it. I heard it pop.
Hey, will you take me the clay wrench over there?
I just bought it this last summer. I wasn't looking for it. I'm on Yeah, a lot, you know. And the kid had it, he knows I like it. He's like, I don't want to deal with it. You want it? I'm gonna. I was like,
You see how straight the trailer walls are now, Troy? Just by jacking it up, straighten right out.
I can tell that little kicker right there is like hanging way out. Now it's not anymore. Even like
Look at this angle right here, you guys.
What do they got for angle iron in there, Troy?
I have a talent.
yeah.
They have some?
Yeah.
$10,000 and a $5,000 rig to make it
What
work.
sizes?
Thickest they got, like 5 feet of
I
it.
got a lot of trucks around, but that's the one that's. You see that steel plate I got?
No, that looks good.
That's 8 inch, 3 inch by 36.
Yeah. I have like 5 feet of angle, please.
The biggest stuff they got?
Thickest.
Pretty much all the same thickness. They got like up to like 2 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch.
Half would be good.
I'll try to buy
I'm gonna need a hammer to really massage that back.
Did you take a video while it was happening?
Yeah.
I took a video while he was working on it.
All right, boys. We're back. Trailer walls are much more square.
Straight-ish.
They're straighter than Craig. Chopping off tires. Everything's loaded back up. Met some awesome people. They helped us out a ton. Pretty happy to find these nice people on the road. Craig's really good at picking up dudes. So we are going to get back on the road. We ended up having to weld a whole bunch on the trailer. We had to cut some reliefs, bend the whole back of the trailer back up. These awesome people from Premier Dirtworks, is that what it was? Premier Earthworks. Yeah, the whole crew showed up. They had a heater out and everything. I think Jake got some video of that, but very happy to be back on the road. What happened was the dovetail of the trailer bent up, it bent down, sorry, which caused the whole walls to bow out, which caused them to rub our trailer tires. At that point, we started blowing tires. So we cut some reliefs, bent the trailer back, and let's see, looks much better. That fender, don't worry about the fender, but the wall itself was bowed out substantially. So we're very, very fortunate to have met these nice people. Hey, look, a cat. But we're just about ready to get back on the road. We're still in Oklahoma somewhere, but we'll continue on.